Hello guys, and today this is Cute Eka, and today we're going to be playing Animal Jam. My friend's account, her name is Chloe. Um, yeah, her name is Chloe, and this is her account name is Alaska Bee. Now, I've heard that people have been breaking in to my home and stealing my cookies, and a lot of other things. So basically, we have a robber. Ooh, let's go home now. Let's see. Is there any robbers in here? Yellow and turquoise. A yellow and turquoise koala. I've heard. Koala. I've heard. That's a bunny. So I put my cookies up for safekeeping. I think this is the only way we'll be able to find the robber. Okay, let's do this. Let's take a little nap first, cause I'm feeling quite tired. Huh? Why does it say one at the bottom corner? Wait. I think I heard someone downstairs. I think I heard someone downstairs, guys. Very quiet instead. Very stealthy. Are they here? No? That's what I thought. I must be dreaming. I must be dreaming because I don't see him there. Mystery will never be solved. Sigh. Sleep again. Phew. Phew. Huh? Someone I think I heard footprints downstairs again. Oh my god. Oh! Robert! Give me back my cookies! Give me back my cookies! Well, there goes some of my cookies. I have 2 more cookies. What? You only see one cookie? One cookie tray? Shh! Don't tell anybody. But I have a secret stash in the back here. The robber cannot find it unless he's a very stealthy guy. Okay, now we're going back to sleep. Wait, do I hear footprints downstairs again? Super stealthy. You! Give me back my cookies! Give them back! Give them back! There goes more of my cookies. I don't understand. Like, why? Where's all my cookies now? Can't find my cookies. Oh, fine. Guess I'll have to deal with this for now. Back to sleep I go. Oh my gosh! More footprints! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you, Lord. No! Not my secret stash! How could you find them? Get back here! Oh my gosh! Get back here! Get back here! Gotcha. Nope. That's what I thought. I thought I had him this time. Well, guys, now I have to make a new fresh batch of cookies. New fresh batch of cookies. Montage. You can't move with the arrow keys. It's not working. Yeah. Cookies in the oven. Ah, there we go. A new fresh batch. And now I'll just set them on the table. Boop. That ought to do it. Now all I have to do is wait for them again. I believe I can catch them this time. Can I? Yeah. I believe I can catch them this time. Oops, oops, oops. Sometimes I forget which way is my house at. Back to sleep. I'm a really tired fox. Okay, shut up. Oh my gosh, more footprints. Oh my gosh, it can't be him. Stealthy you! Psh, gotcha. What are you gonna do now? I got you. Come here, follow me. Get over here. Come on, get over here. I'm pulling you. Get over here. 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 Dingus. Yeah, get up there. Into the cave. Up there. Get up here to the candy dungeon. Get up here. No, it's not time for sleeping. Get up into the candy dungeon. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah. Yeah. Well, guys, I ended up catching the robber. Thanks for helping me out, yelling at the screen. By yelling at the screen. Special thanks. Special thanks to my partner, my sister. Lol, JK. I think it was my Toy Chica. Her name was. Anyways, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you next Animal Jam roleplay.